Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, I am also fine. So now we are going to study about triangles. Okay, this is our chapter. In this triangle, it is made up of three sides. They are enclosed also. Okay, so now what is triangle we are going to study in this? First of all, the thing that we'll study here is angle bisector. Okay, what is angle bisector? It is written here. Even then you see one time. Here in this figure, blue angle is bisected. Okay, where is the blue angle? So here is that blue angle. This angle has been bisected by this red line. Okay, that means these two angles are equal to each other. This is called, it is written also, see one time, bisected means which divides into two equal parts. Clear? Now the second thing that we are going to study in this chapter is about exterior angle. Okay, I have explained this many times in the classroom there. Okay, many times I have explained in the classroom. What is exterior angle of a triangle? That means this angle is called exterior angle, and its sum is equal to the interior opposite angles. Okay, if you take this as the exterior angle, so its sum is equal to, see here, this time this 80 degree and this 40 degree. So that is what exterior angle property is called there. Okay, now then we have to study about, that is the main thing, this is the main thing that we are going to use today in our chapter, that sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Here this one, okay, A, that is angle A here, B, here is angle B, and C, here is angle C. Sum of these three angles is always 180 degree. Okay, one more thing we can see, properties of these are called interior angles. So properties of interior angles also we can see. What are the properties? This is saying that the interior angles add up to 180 degree, so every angle must be less than 180 degree only. So this is what we are going to study. Clear? So let us see. I made one video on that. We would like to discuss that video here in the classroom. So the video is saying that okay, in this question I have taken here, in this question I have taken that if each angle of a triangle is less than the sum of other two, so that the triangle angle is acute angle. Acute angle means to say, if this is the triangle, so all these angles means these all angles are less than 90 degree. Clear? These are less than 90. This is the meaning of acute angle. So let us see here in this video what we have done. So I will draw one figure here of the triangle. Okay, then this will be angle A, angle B, and angle C. Okay, this is very important. First of all, you draw the figure. Okay, and then I'll write the given condition. Angle A is less than sum of other two, that is angle B and angle C. Similarly, angle B will be there. Sorry, angle B is there, that is angle A plus angle C, and angle C is less than angle B plus angle A. Okay, this is the given condition, that is very important. Also, we have to write this first of all, that thing only. Then we have to prove what? We have to prove that angle A, angle B, and angle C all are acute angles. That means they are less than 90 degrees. That is what we have done here. Okay, how I will prove? So let me erase this and then I'll explain how we can prove angle A, angle B and angle C is less than 90 degree. Okay. We have to use the properties of sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We are going to use that property. So first of all, we'll write what is given. Given was that angle A is less than angle B plus angle C. Okay. Now suppose that if I add the same angle on both the sides, what will happen? One side will become the sum of all the three angles of a triangle. Okay, this is what we are going to use here. So angle A plus angle A is less than angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Okay, that means angle A angle is twice of angle A. Okay, this red one here, in this I have added extra. Why I have added extra? Because this was given here, B plus C. In this, if I add this angle A, now see, this all becomes the sum of interior angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. So that will automatically come 180 degree. So this was my purpose here. Now let us see what I have done here. Then twice of angle A is less than 180 degree. Clear? That means angle A is less than 90 degree. Why it is 180? Because angle A plus angle B plus I have explained already that sum of all these angles will be equal to 180 degree. So now that twice of angle A is less than 180 degree, that means angle A alone it is less than 90 degree, that is 180 by 2 it will come here. So that is here. So that means angle A is less than 180 by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. So angle A is less than 90 degree. This is what we had to prove and we have proved also. Okay, now some more questions we have to discuss here. Let us see that one more question I have written here for you. In this question now it is saying that, see here, in this question now it is saying that if one angle of a triangle is now equal, in the previous question it was less, now it is equal to the sum of other two, so that triangle is a right angle. Right angle means to say, right angles means to say, if this is one triangle, then this angle must be 90 degree, or any, I have taken this, you can take any angle, you can take this angle also, you can take this angle also, but we have to prove that one angle is 90 degree. Okay, there cannot be more than, there cannot be even two or more than two right angles in a triangle, because if the sum of two angles only will become 180 degree, then how the third angle will exist in a triangle? That is why. So we have to prove that one, this is right angle triangle, means one angle is 90 degrees. So let us see that how we have solved. So very important thing is that we have to draw the figure. In every such type of question, first of all we need to draw the figure of this question here. Okay, I have no idea which one is the right angle here. Okay, these are the red mark are the solution, the key of the solution here. Okay, like lock is opened by the key, our question will be solved by these keys which I have red marked here. Okay, so let us draw the figure. I have no idea which angle is 90 degree, so I have drawn like this only. So they have given that this is one triangle ABC in which angle A is equal to sum of other two, means angle B plus angle C. Similarly, angle B is equal to angle C plus angle A, and angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. Okay, angle B plus angle A or angle A plus the same thing, no problem there. So angle C is equal to angle B plus angle A here. Okay, these things they have given. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that triangle is right angled triangle. That means any one condition is satisfied, so that will become a right angled only. Okay, so let us see that how we have solved. this condition I will not erase because this I want to know only. So now we have to prove that angle A is equal to 90 degree, angle B is equal to 90 degree, or angle C is equal to 90 degree. I will use this for that condition that given here. Okay, now see here. Now in a triangle we are going to prove. So what I will do, okay, so see, it cannot have two right angles in a triangle. That will become wrong only. This can never be possible. I have explained. Two angles becomes 180, then third angle will not exist only. So we have to prove that. So let us start this with angle A. Okay, if this condition is true, that angle A is equal to angle B plus angle C, so I will add angle A both sides. Why I will add? Because this will give me 180 degree, the RHS side, that right hand side will give me 180 degree. So see, I have added angle A on both the sides. So angle A plus angle A is equal to angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Clear? And this will give me 180 degree. Why? Because the sum of all the three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Clear? So let us see what we have done here. Now I think you are realizing what you have to do. Okay, so angle A plus angle is twice angle A, that is equal to, that time, this time it is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so obviously angle A is equal to 180 by 2, because angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, sum of all the angles of a triangle, or you may say angle sum property of a triangle. Okay, now when this has come 180 degree, okay, now I can easily find what is the value of angle A. One by one we have to do for all the angles. Only one I will prove, rest two you can practice at your home. Okay, that is also very important to do practice. So angle A is equal to 180 by 2, that is equal to 90 degree. So we have proved one thing, that if the sum of other two is equal to one angle, then triangle is right angle. Here we have proved also that this is 90 degree. Okay class, so this is for today. Next class we'll learn something new. Till then, all of you take care and read nicely at your home. Thank you class, thank you very much.